going, guys? I have a drill that I want to show you, and I think this drill is pretty fun, but this is for arms. Now, the basic concept is we're going to take one arm from one position, and then we're just going to try and turn and then change into a different position. So we're just focused on Toyman angles here, 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 and then we'll also do these angles 1, 2, 3. So these are all the basic Toyman angles, right? So you can pick any one of these angles, but the goal is to start off with one arm first, and then we're just gonna turn and then pick any angle we want from there. So if I turn, my arm's gonna change, and then we're gonna come back to this. So 1, 2, and then back. And now we'll try go up, up, back. And now we'll try come down, down, back. Now we'll try come out, out, back. Maybe we'll try the other side this time. Down, back. Now try up, back. So you get the idea. We can even go from here to here, to here, to here, to here, down, up. Maybe go back up again, up, here. Now we go up, back. Or we'll go straight to the side. So once you've gone through all of these angles, try both arms. So now we'll just do like left arm first, turn. And now we switch arms. Bring this arm up to the same position and then come back. So now swap arms again. Out, up, here, 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 down, down, up, back, boom, boom, down, down, out. So you get the hang of that. Once we've gone through all those positions from here, now we try pick a different angle this time. So this is the first angle we're doing. We're doing everything that starts from here. Then we change again. So now the next angle would be up here. Okay? So now every movement starts from here this time. So now we go up, down. And then we always come back up to this position. Here, down. Here, down. Here, 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 maybe go back there again. Here, down. Here, and now try the other side. Out, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, out, up, down, up, down, up, boom. Boom, boom. Okay, and then we do the same thing again with both arms. So now we go from here to here, to here, to here, to here, to here, to here. Boom. 1, 2, 3, 4. Like that. Okay, that seems pretty simple. And then we change it up to a different position. And then maybe we'll start off from here this time. From here to here, 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 to here. Maybe straight up. Okay, and then we can do the other side. So here, boom. Or we could do this arm to that side. So rather going from this side to here, it's like 1 back. Now try this side to that side, like this. And that gives you a completely different look, right? So basically that's the drill. So we're starting off from any point here. Now we can start off from here this time. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. You know what I mean? So we go, now we can change arms. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and so on, right? So pretty much just do all your Toyman angles until you've done all that with both arms, both directions in all positions. From here, 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 right? So all your basic Toyman angles, and that's your drill. Go left first, and then right first, and then try to change your arms. Now try the same with the left arm, because the movements are going to change. If I go from here to here, that's one movement, but now if I go from here to here, it also looks completely different, right? 1, 2. They also feel different when you do it like that as well. And then you can try that same thing, but 180 degrees. So we can take this same concept, and now we can try and turn it behind us, like 180 degrees this time. So instead of just going 90 degrees, now try 180 degrees. So here to here, 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 here to here. And we can do that same thing in a circle. We can do 180 and then 180. So rather than just going here and then back, try complete the circle this time. So 1, 2, 3. Yeah, that makes sense. Try it again another way. 1, 2, 3. Now try to do something different. 1, 2, 3. Got it? And now it's something different. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and now 90 degrees, and mix it up. And this is pretty much your popping, right? It's how you can get more creative with popping and more dynamic and more unpredictable. Is you can change. They might just think you're going to be going 90 degrees, but then you'll switch it up. Okay, maybe you'll do 270 this time, or 360, or so and so on. So I could be like here and do a 360, like boom. And because I've done 360 degrees this time, while I'm moving, it looks completely different, right? So that's being unpredictable. I could take this same move, maybe move it down here, but if I do a 360 with that, like, boom, how different does that look? And now again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Boom. So that's also 360. And that's your little drill you're going to practice. 90-degree turns, both sides, 180-degree turns, and then 360. And then every Toyman angle, both arms at a time, different positions. Start from here, then start from here, then start from here. If that makes sense, right? Give that a shot, guys. Peace.